How to download and launch Google Drive for your desktop. You first have to open your web browser, whether you're using Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, whatever web browser you're using, you have to launch it. And then you visit the official Google Drive website or search for Google Drive for desktop. Click on the link that says use Google Drive for desktop and then click download for Windows and your downloading will start automatically. Once the downloading finishes, you just have to double click on the file. The file is usually located in the downloads folder. So you double click on the file and then check whatever you have to check, whether you want the shortcuts of the Google Drive. You check that particular box and then you install it. Once the installation is done, you just have to launch it. Then you sign into your Google Drive account. Voila! And now your Google Drive will now run in the background.